Tired of the worrying that someone might peek at your WhatsApp messages when you leave your computer unattended? Today, I'm going to show you how to add an extra layer of security to your WhatsApp web and protect your private conversations. Sadly, WhatsApp web doesn't offer a built-in password lock feature, so we will be using browser extensions. Let's start with Chrome. Open the Chrome Web Store. Search for Washington Web Plus for WhatsApp. Make sure to find the extension by Washington Web Plus. Click Add to Chrome, and then confirm by clicking Add Extension. Once installed, open WhatsApp Web in your browser. You should now see the Washington Web Plus icon in your browser toolbar. Click on it. A settings menu will appear. Look for the Enable Screen Lock option and toggle it on. It will prompt you to set a password. Enter a strong password and confirm it. Now, whenever WhatsApp Web is idle for a specified time, or when you manually lock it, it will require the password you set. If you are using Firefox, search in Firefox add-ins. The process is similar. Just make sure the extension is credible. And that's it. By using these browser extensions, you significantly enhance the privacy of your WhatsApp web. Remember to choose a strong password and keep it safe. Stay secure.